The cracks moved.
Whether it's those celestial projections or disrupted gravitational fields, they're all manifestations of Dean Phenomena's subconscious. Perhaps Dean Phenomena is trying to protect the Academy from intruders in her own way.
So, if we eliminate what Dean Phenomena sees as threats, those cracks will disappear, right?
Let's try it out.
That stone platform. Could it be?
Yeah, this is where Professor Aratos' funeral was held. Look, these white flowers are Cretan tulips, her favorite. Let's hope today's incidents won't disturb Professor Aratos' peace.
Look here, Grand Oracle. This projection is a bit different from previous ones. It's special somehow.
This... It has intricate textures. Maybe it's a white dwarf star, but I'm no astronomy expert. I can't confirm it. I need help from the Astronomical Academy. I'm sending a stellar image now. Check it against the astronomical database.
Grand Oracle, this is an image of the sun in 5 billion years. The corpse it'll leave behind. When the sun runs out of hydrogen and helium from fusion, this is how it'll end.
A dead sun. I see. Thanks. I suspect this was left by Phenomena, though she may have done it all unconsciously. Let's put this white dwarf back where it belongs.
What's going on here?
Relax. This is likely a shard of Phenomena's memory.
Memory? Shard? The way you talk about it, it sounds like memories have a physical form.
Human memories are intangible, stored in billions of neurons within the brain. This is for sure. But Dean Phenomena isn't composed of cells, so it's hardly surprising if her memories can condense into energy-based entities. Let's move closer. It might show us her memories from the past.
Is the notebook that Dean Phenomena's holding one of Professor Aratos' belongings? When I delivered documents to the Astronomical Academy, I saw Professor Aratos with a similar leather-bound book. She always had it with her.
Seems like this happened after I left the funeral.
I heard Dean Phenomena and Professor Aratos were close friends. But why does she seem so indifferent to Aratos' passing? Shouldn't she be mourning?
Shh, keep watching. Now isn't the time for questions.
That was the end of the projection, Grand Oracle.
That's it then. Phenomena, you sure know how to leave us with puzzles.
Grand Oracle, the figure at the end.
I know. Phenomena's disappearance must be related to that person. The situation now is probably tied to them as well.
Could it be Nemesis?
Most likely. But even if it's truly those rats pulling the strings, we don't have time to deal with them now.
If it's really Nemesis, then could Dean Phenomena be in danger? If Dean Phenomena was attacked and imprisoned, and the entire Astronomical Academy lifted into the air, who could possibly do that?
We're short on information to draw any conclusions, but we must prepare for the worst. Logos, I have a task for you. I'll explain the details soon. As for now, let's leave this area.